Ban khanglat ya ka jingkit ya ki Mrad Be-aiñ klem ki kot ki sla ki babiang ban pentikna ya ka jingpet benya ya ka bit kabiang jong ki kali katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department jong ka Sorkar jala kalabu ya ki Jaka Talasi ya ka jingkit ya ki Mrad Be-aiñ hapo Bhoi district bat hapo Garo Hills. Nakaliang Menteri Sorkar badai pej halon kane ka benta uba AL hek ulaong banakaliang kabor badai pej kan budin ru ya ka koit ka khya jong ki jenri bakin long ki bakhoi ki basuba ki bawan shaka jala bat ban pentikana bakilong ki babit ban bam harangkat bat ki SOP ki badan lupa ki babit ki babiang ula pentikana ba en om sha ban kit ye ki Mrad Be-aiñ bat baro ki jingri ki bawan nabar kidi ban rai ki kot ki sla ki babiang bat ula batha ru ya ki deputy commissioner bakin le AA ya ki to ki bapen khen ya ki kandan an.
The government is under construction of the checkpost and quarantine center for the animals there in Bhoi district, and soon will be completed and also will be implemented. That I cannot give you the exact report, but this is from the DBO level and the veterinary doctors level. They are issuing the health certificate to those vendors who are bringing the livestock to the state of Meghalaya. Anything which is doing illegal should not be allowed. Simple. It has to be with the proper document, the proper checking. It can be brought to the state of Meghalaya. The chairman of the district is the deputy commissioner. So if anything is there doing illegal, the deputy commissioner of any district, they will take the call on this. Now we are constructing 2 checkposts in the state of Meghalaya is under under progress now. One is in the Bhoi, Narang in Bhoi district, one is Nidanpur in Garo district. Now we have got sanction only for 2, so let's start for the 2 only, then we start functioning this one. Then we can go to other district also later on. We cannot stop only in 2 districts. The veterinary department, the doctor will be there. He will check the health status of the animals, whether it fit or not for consumption. This is all the SOP is already there in place.